NG has shown a sharp reversal. Recall I told you here that it is consolidating and it can reverse because that was a strong bearish move. And precisely last week I had asked you to remain long till the time it trades above $7 levels. You can expect it to achieve the highs. It has crossed the $8 levels. In fact, it crossed the $8.2 levels also and closed the week above 8.2. Now what is going to happen next week, whether it is going to rise more or we can see a drop from here, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on NG before the before the Asia session, so do watch that analysis as well. And if you are interested into other markets and commodities including gold, silver, crude oil, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, you can watch those analysis on daily basis. I share it on one with the Asia session, one with the US session, and also the weekly analysis on forex and Bitcoin should be of help, where you can find GBP USD, Euro USD, and USD JPY and Bitcoin targets. So do press the bell icon. Let's start the analysis. First, we'll look into candlestick charts, followed with indicators, and in the end, we will see the trading strategy and trading levels for next week. First, let's start with the 4-hour charts. You can find this zone giving it a support, which is now the support zone at 7.7. So yes, only if you see it trading below 7.7, we can expect further bearishness. Else, look at the charts here. See, if you just consider these few candles, you can find it is trying to trade in this channel, and the highs for this channel are at around 8.3, 8.5 levels. If it continues to trade up above 8.5, you can expect more bullishness, and then one can expect it to hit 8.8 and 9. Else it can try to consolidate and reverse a bit. The support there at 7.7 is going to be strong. Be watchful of that. Any break below 7.7 should bring it to 7.5, and below that it may come back to $7, $7.2 levels again. However, right now it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs at around 85, the lows at 877. Also, just look at the last couple of candles, lower highs and higher lows, trying to consolidate, trying to give a breakout. Yes, if you see it trading below this zone at 81.4, you can go short here, and then one can expect this levels to get achieved 80.4. Below that we can expect a further drop for 79 and 78 level, 7.9 and 7.8 levels. So this you need to be cautious of. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now see here on the daily charts, 8.2 levels previously was a good support, now going to provide a very strong resistance, and that is why we can see it getting pulled back again and closing at $8.2 levels itself. So be watchful of this. If it sustains continuously above 8.2, rather you can take, because it is already 8.2. If you see it trading beyond 8.3, go long again, and beyond 8.3 one can look forward to this zone at 8.7, 8.8 and $9 levels, which is going to be a stronger resistance zone. Also look at the daily charts here. See on the daily charts, see first the support here at $7 levels is very strong, as I told in my last week's analysis also, and from there it is started to rise. So see, and but look at the charts out there, it is showing the diminishing bullishness there, as the previous candle failed to breach the highs of this channel. So it is a narrowing triangle. It can go till towards 8.5, and then possibly we may see a drop till towards 7.7, which is the support, and then below that you can expect it to come back to $7 levels. So be watchful of 8.5 and 7.7 levels. Yes, on the downside, if you see it trading below 8.14, you can go short for 8.1, 8 and 7.9, 7.7 levels. This is on the daily charts. Also on the daily chart, see, we have seen it coming back to the resistance at 8.2. Now look at the weekly candle out. It's a sharp bullish candle, and see after this reversal it has tried to trade in this, and if you connect the dots, it is the channel which is available right now, and hence be watchful of 8.25 levels, and beyond 8.25 you can certainly remain long. For 8.3, beyond 8.3 strong bulls will come into picture, which will take it till towards 8.75, 8.8 and then $9 levels also, which is going to be the stronger resistance. Else one can expect that it is going to retrace, and hence a good short entry at 8.14 can be taken. Below 8.14 I look forward to $8 levels, 7.7 and then 7.5 and 7, and in fact it can drop below $7 levels also. It can bring further more crash and trade bearishly. We can expect it to drop more in the coming weeks, so take positions accordingly. Be watchful of the levels. Now look at the monthly candle. See, on the monthly charts, I told you it has taken a support out there, and that was a strong support zone. I had told several times in my analysis 5.4, 5.2 zone is something you should be watchful of. This is going to give it a stronger support. Since then, it has taken a good rise. It has come back to 8.2, which is a very strong resistance zone. See, the previous candle almost either closing there or opening there, but it is a good resistance zone that is very, very clear. Sustaining beyond 8.24, one can expect it to rise more, and then in fact, it can try to breach the near term highs if it continues to trade in a bullish tendency. Else, there is a possibility for it to retrace back again on the downside, close somewhere here at around $7 or $7.2 levels towards the end of the month. So, the monthly candle for July can try to give or a little shadow on the upside, and then a smaller body or 50-50 can also be expected. Hence, one can expect it to at least come back to 7.2 or $7 levels, and below that also is possible for 6.8 and 6.6. 6.6 is definitely very, very strong support level. So this is what we can see here on the candlestick charts. Let's have a look at the indicators here. See, on the monthly charts, it has come to the top of the Bollinger Bands. Now it traded outside and then got a smart pullback. Now it is at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and hence one can again expect it to get the pullback. The support levels at $6 levels is very strong. Below that, 5 levels will come into picture. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is near to top, trading flat, and the MACD is wide divergent and extremely bullish on NG. Also look at the RSI. This is also looking upwards, but this is on the monthly charts. Let's have a look from the minor time frame. This is the 4-hour candle. You can find there is a resistance precisely at around this zone at 8.3 and 8.34. 8.33. This zone you have to be watchful. If it breaks beyond this, definitely further more bullishness will appear, as there is a possibility for it to hit $8 levels, and in fact 7.8, 7.7 cannot be denied. Directional movement is bullish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish. It is trying to trade parallel. It is trying to trade in green. RSI is overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, also daily charts are trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence we can expect it to get a pullback on the downside. Go short at 8.14, wait for 8.04, 7.9, 7.8. Below that, 7.7 is also possible, and below that we may see a fall. Any break beyond this zone at 8.33, you can go long, and one can expect 8.5, 8.7, 8.8 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone. Now look at this. Directional movement is extremely bullish on the daily charts. Stochastic is overbought, and MACD is also in green. It is trading parallel, indicating the bulls are still very much there. RSI is about to enter into overbought levels. Similarly, if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, it has still got some room for it to rise till towards 9.4, 90.5 levels. On the downside, the support there at $7 levels is going to be very, very strong. Be watchful. If it sustains below 7, it could lead to a stronger fall towards the next month. Directional movement again is wide divergent and bullish. Stochastic was oversold, now trying to bounce back and reverse a little. The MACD you find is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move, and the RSI is also looking upward. Similarly, if you look at the monthly charts here, on the monthly charts, it has already formed a double bottom. If it breaks below this, you can expect it to hit 4.4, 4.5 levels, and below that a further fall should come. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is stochastic is near to top. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish on the monthly charts, and also the RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, now let me give you the trading levels and strategy on how to make profit trading NG next week. Now, so before I give you the trading levels, yes, if you want to learn the same art of reading the markets, learn the same art of trading profitably, taking right entries and exits, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting. This is the 15th batch, 90 minutes daily, and lifetime support is what you get. The dates will be announced in my Telegram channel. Join that channel. It's a free channel. And yes, if you want to join the VIP Signals group, you can join my reach out to me for more details on Telegram or via email. So let's start and let's have a look at the charts here. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 8.25, yes, you can go long here at 8.25 and expect it to hit 8.33, which is the next resistance zone. And if it sustains above 8.33, next target is directly at 8.5, then 8.64, and then 8.8 will come into picture. 8.8 may provide a little resistance. Beyond that, $9 levels is almost certain, and below beyond 9.0 we can expect 9.43 levels. So yes, till 8.8 be watchful. In fact, yes, if it can, the first reversal zone is at here at 8.33 and 8.5, in between somewhere it can try to reverse, and hence be cautious in between these levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 8.14, go short there. Then the next target is 8.04, 7.95, 7.8 and 7.7. Be watchful of 7.7 there too. Yes, this could be the next resistance zone. On the downside, if it continues to break below 7.7, I look forward to 7.4 and then $7 levels, which is a very strong support there at $7 level. Probably we may see 8.8 and 7.4 to provide a very strong support on the upside or downside. So take your positions accordingly, trade profitably, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.